Hello everyone. Today we shall know about the novelist Jane Austen. Made easy just for you. Jane Austen was an English novelist and she was the seventh child of George Austen and Cassandra Lay. So Jane Austen and her older sister Cassandra were sent to a boarding school till Jane Austen's pre-adolescence. During this time, she was suffering with an illness, and after a short period of time, she had to stop her formal education because of several financial constraints. And Austen was largely self educated during that period of time. She had to access her father's library and she learned whatever she could from her father and the brother. And during this time, theatrical was a part of Austen's education. And that was a great part. Theatricals was a great part. And from the age of 13 itself, Austen's family and her close friends, they staged a series of plays. They were including Richard Sheridan's The Rivals and David Garrick's Bonten, and there were many, and these two are notable. So theatricals played an important role in Jane Austen's life. Now we shall look into the major works of Jane Austen. First is Sense and Sensibility, which was published in 1811. Next, Pride and Prejudice, which was published in 1813. Mansfield Park, published in 1814. Emma, published in 1815. Northanger Abbey, published in 1818. It was a posthumous publication. What is posthumous here? It was published after her death. Next, it was Persuasion, 1818. Again, it was published posthumously. Now we shall look into the unfinished works of Jane Austen. First is The Watsons, which was published in 1804, and the next is Sanditon, which was published in 1817. Now we shall look into the short summary of Jane Austen's major novels. First is Sense and Sensibility. Jane Austen's first published novel was originally written in 1795. So, which is the first published novel? Sense and Sensibility. It was published as an epistolary novel. What is epistolary novel? It is a novel in letters. Okay. It was actually entitled as Elinor and Marianne. It is a story of the Dashwood sisters Elinor and Marianne and their love for Edward Ferrars and Carl Brandon respectively. So Edward Ferrars is for Elinor and Marianne is for Carl Brandon. Next is an interesting novel that we are going to look into, that is Pride and Prejudice. It was originally titled as First Impression because the appearance of the characters created the plot of the novel. Jane Austen's second novel, which is Pride and Prejudice, it narrates the story of the Bennets and their 5 daughters. Who are they? Jane, Elizabeth, Mary, Kitty and Lydia. The order is much important here. The novel starts off with Mrs. Bennet's obsessive desire to get her daughters married. The focus of the story is on the change of emotional love connection between the Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy. Now we shall look into yet another important novel, Mansfield Park. This novel is centered on Fanny Price, the poor ward and the niece of Sir Thomas and Lady Bertram. She is taken from her parents to be raised by her rich relatives, and she comes to Mansfield Park as a child at the age of 9. It is morely a social awareness novel, much of her Jane Austen's novel does. And it focuses on slave trade and upper class people, how they show their wealth in corruption and exploitation, which are the major themes. One most important novel to be discussed is Emma. Before beginning this novel, Jane Austen herself had written, I am going to take a heroine whom no one but myself will much like. Emma Woodhouse, the heroine of this novel, is described as rich, clever and handsome. She is a heiress who lived with her widowed father at their estate. And she takes herself a pride credit in her matchmaking skills. And this novel particularly deals about age, sex and also the social status. Now we shall look into the novel Northanger Abbey. Northanger Abbey is a coming of age novel and a satire of Gothic novel. It was completed in 1803 and it was Jane Austen's first fully completed novel, but was published posthumously in 1817. When Persuasion and everything were completed and published posthumously, this was also published. This story concerns about Catherine Morland, who is a country girl. She is inexperienced with the outside world, and her novel deals about the journey to a better understanding of Catherine Morland and of the world around her.